Hi there. In this short video, I'm going to take you through our booking system with a focus on how to book a seat or desk throughout the day. What you're currently looking at in front of you is a very simple floor plan which matches up to the left-hand side here with the date and time function. So what you're currently looking at in green is the desks that are available between 1 and 2 on the 27th of February, and in red are the desks that are not. If you would like to change this, you can select the day here, and you can book up to a week in advance from the day that you're currently on. If you know that you're coming into the office for the entire day, we have the all day function here, which you hit that, and then this shows the desk that you can book all day long. We can also change the time that we're coming in for. So say you know that your friends or colleagues are coming in for the afternoon, you can then select, say, 2 until 6, and if you do it earlier, you'll get a little warning. So 2 until 6, these are the tables that are available to book in that period. So if I wanted to go ahead and book one of these, I'd click onto it. I can either book directly there, or I can see seat details. So what we can see here is with this green bar, the desk is available all day long. So if I want to book one until, say, 6:30, I go ahead and change that, book seat, and then it appears in red beneath it, showing that that is now busy. If you want to view all of your available bookings, or the bookings that you currently have, you go My Bookings, and you come to this page here, which has them all loaded. Here you can either edit a booking or cancel a booking. Cancel a booking is very simple. You just hit cancel, and then you get the option to rebook it again, as you can see here. If you want to actually then go ahead and edit a booking, you can click into here and see when it's available and then save any changes you make there. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, please do get in touch.